right, so I'm glad that the sort went well because I've been trying to play around with this new website and I've tried to make a sight word game. So I had to minimize it down to 90% to get the whole board to fit on the screen. But they can pick whichever color pawn they want. You click to roll, so then they would just take their person, 1, 2, 3, click on this little info button, and it'll give them a sight word to read. And then in here, there's like a couple that say like move ahead 3 or move back 1 or whatever. But yeah, I'm thinking maybe we could do a sight word game, trying to make it more fun. So Allison told me about this website, so I'm trying out some new stuff. It seems pretty easy. Let me know how it goes. But hopefully they like it. All right, thanks, Sue.